Good morning. My name is Daniel Mullings from AA Mac and Tech Embrace. Welcome to Apple Step by Step. Now, this is a platform that is completely different than normal because it's very personal. I'd like to thank Sue for coming up with the ideas of some of the things that we put together. She was a client that had a problem, and together we worked out the solution. But she explained to me what the problem that people have with technology. Now, the first part of this is the introduction. The second part is the sections. Now, there are 3 sections which are called modules. Now, when we say modules, don't panic thinking this is some big learning thing. This is very simple. I've broken it down in such a way that on a step by step. So you do the first step, the second step, and the third step. So let's look at the first step. What is the problem? You click on the button and it will take you to the introduction of the page, and we will look at the problem. Then we'll look how digital we are, because we need to know, how good you are. It's not a test. It's just a case of some things are easy to use and some things are not. You go through each step and these will be completed. This thing here was September. Don't worry too much about this because it's just an estimated date of when you want to have the problem solved, or how far you want to go. We have problem, we have solution, and we have digital skills. You may just do 1, 2, or 3. You may even just, you can do this at your leisure, at your pleasure. I'm here to help you solve your problem. Daniel Mullings, Tech Embrace, and Apple.